How to fix, please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction process in your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this please contact iTunes support problem on your iPhone whenever you try to complete a transaction. So there is nothing really you can do by yourself. You will need to contact iPhone support, and to do that, I'll teach you guys how it's possible. Just open up Safari and search for support.apple.com. After you search for it, just hit enter, and on the top you will see iPhone. Tap on iPhone. Now if you're having this problem in your iPad, you can tap on iPad too. After that, scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, you should see an option that says support. Now here you will see get support. Tap on start now. After you tap on start now, you'll just get this page right here. Now tap on more. Now here you will need to choose the topic. Choose your iTunes store. Tap on iTunes, and here tap on continue. After you do that, you will get a phone number most probably, but if you don't get that, what you can do is simply go back here, tap on see your support options. Now this might not be working for some people, so you can simply tap on continue as well. Now here you should be able to just contact your Apple support, and you can ask them to fix your problem for you. If you find your problem somewhere around here, you can just tap on that article and read it to fix the problem yourself too. And if that does not work, you can simply contact iTunes store and they will fix the problem for you. And that is how you fix this problem, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and